Hey there, plant lovers. Welcome to my home where plants aren't just decor, they're family. Today I'm giving you a full houseplant tour, both indoors and outdoors. So grab your favorite drink and let's explore the green vibes together. This is my Syngonium, also known as the arrowhead plant. Its gorgeous arrow-shaped leaves come in shades of green, pink, and even cream, making it a versatile beauty for any corner of the house. It's a fast-growing vine that thrives in indirect light, adding a touch of elegance and softness to any indoor space. Here's my Anthurium, often called the flamingo flower. Those bright, waxy blooms paired with glossy green leaves make it a true showstopper. The flowers aren't just beautiful, they last for weeks. Plus, it loves humidity, so it's perfect for brightening up bathrooms or humid spaces. Meet my Pothos, also known as devil's ivy, a true classic for plant lovers. Its heart-shaped leaves with golden or white variegation create stunning trailing vines that can grow almost endlessly. This plant is super hardy, thrives in low light, and is perfect for adding lush greenery to shelves or hanging baskets. Echeveria, a stunning succulent known for its perfectly shaped rosettes. Its plump, pastel-colored leaves almost look like they've been carved out of wax. It thrives in bright sunlight and adds a touch of desert charm. Here's the English ivy, a timeless beauty with its elegant, lobed leaves and trailing vines. It's perfect for adding a touch of classic charm to walls, shelves, or hanging baskets. Not only is it versatile, but it's also an excellent air purifier, making it a functional and beautiful addition to any space. This is my rubber plant, a bold and striking indoor tree known for its thick, glossy leaves that almost look polished. Its deep green foliage adds a modern, sculptural touch to any room. Plus, it's low maintenance and thrives in bright, indirect light, making it a favorite for both beginners and plant enthusiasts. Say hello to my umbrella tree, or Echeveria. Its glossy, starburst-like leaves fan out like little umbrellas, creating a tropical, lively vibe. This plant is super adaptable, thriving in bright, indirect light, and it grows into a beautiful, bushy shape that makes a statement in any indoor or outdoor space. Poinsettia, known for its vibrant red, pink, or white bracts that steal the show during the holiday season. Though often associated with Christmas, this plant's bold, festive colors make it a beautiful addition to any home. It thrives in bright, indirect light and needs a little extra care to keep its blooms looking their best. Geranium, bursting with vibrant blooms in shades of red, pink, and white. These hardy plants love the sun and are perfect for adding a pop of color to windowsills or outdoor gardens. Their cheerful flowers and fragrant leaves make them a delightful addition to any space. Marigolds, with their cheerful golden orange flowers that practically glow in the sunlight. These bright beauties not only add a splash of color to gardens and pots, but also act as natural pest repellents. Marigolds love the sun and thrive with regular watering, making them a perfect, low-maintenance flower to brighten any spot. This is my Jasminum multiflorum, also known as the Indian jasmine. Its pure white flowers bloom in clusters and fill the air with a sweet, intoxicating fragrance. This beauty thrives in bright, indirect light and is perfect for adding a touch of elegance and a lovely scent to your home or garden. Here's my Monstera thriving outdoors. When given plenty of space, it can grow into a massive beauty, with even bigger leaves than indoors. The warm, humid environment and bright, indirect sunlight let this plant flourish, creating a tropical vibe wherever it's placed. It's a perfect addition to patios or garden corners. Meet my juniper tree, an evergreen beauty that thrives outdoors. With its rich blue-green needles and compact shape, It adds structure and texture to the garden all year long. Junipers are low maintenance, drought tolerant, and perfect for adding a bit of hardy, evergreen charm to any outdoor space. Here's the chrysanthemum, a true fall favorite with its vibrant, daisy-like blooms in shades of yellow, red, and purple. These cheerful flowers add a burst of color to any garden or patio. Chrysanthemums thrive in the sun and are perfect for bringing seasonal beauty and a touch of warmth to your outdoor space. Check out my scarlet clock vine, known for its stunning bright red, trumpet-shaped flowers that resemble little clocks. This tropical vine loves the sun and adds a bold splash of color to trellises, fences, or hanging baskets. It's a beautiful, fast-growing plant that draws attention with its vibrant blooms and lush greenery. Aloe vera, a simple yet powerful plant. Its thick, fleshy leaves are packed with soothing gel, making it a natural remedy for skin care. Aloe thrives in bright, indirect light and is incredibly low maintenance, perfect for anyone looking for a hardy, functional plant. Here's my spider plant on the balcony where it really thrives. The bright, indirect light and fresh air create the perfect environment for its lush, green leaves to grow. It's a perfect addition to outdoor spaces, hanging gracefully from pots and sending off its charming spiders. A little sun and a gentle breeze, and it's happier than ever. My jade plant on the balcony, soaking up the sunlight. This succulent loves the sun, and its thick, glossy leaves store water, making it drought-tolerant and low maintenance. With its tree-like shape and rich green color, it adds a touch of tranquility and elegance to any outdoor space, making it the perfect balcony plant.